Komala Sai Ram, one of your students from Vishwapoornima Yoga Centre, wanted to share something about Dr. Bach's flower remedy. After I joining, I come to know there is a seminar. So I attended this seminar. One day what happened, three person was coming at the back of me. I didn't know that they are coming following me. They pulled me and pushed me down and take out my bag. That day I was very worried about my life. The same day what happened, I gave a call to sir. Sir, I don't have a confidence to come to attend the classes. So better I will quit the coming classes, sir, like that. Then sir told, don't do like that, ma. You please come down. There is a Dr. Bach's flower remedies are there. I will see what is happening to you. I will take care of you. Don't worry like that. He prescribed, he given me some herbals, which one is helped me till now. That helped me a lot. Like I can go alone wherever I want. At what time I am coming also no problem for me. It gives me very much confidence to me. Now I am in this stage is all because of Dr. Bach's flower remedy plus yoga, where I am learning. It's a very good one. So again I am saying thank you to Mr. T. Venkatesh sir. Thank you.